Hey, what is up guys, welcome to SE2 Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So before starting today's video, I want to tell that just leave a comment that how you are seeing the video quality as well as the audio quality. I have done a lot of adjustments in my camera and that is what resulted into this quality. And guys, today's video is going to be very special, just like my all other videos, and just because there is a brief discussion and which just comes to a conclusion that the iPhone SE2 or Apple's going to be launching the budget and iPhone in the 2019 iPhone lineup, which we are going to be seeing after 3 weeks. So guys, stay tuned for today's video, and without any further ado, let's get in our video. As no other sources or no place actually tells us that the iPhone SE2 is going to be a thing, and it's going to be launched in the 2019 iPhone keynote after 3 weeks in this September. But I want to also point out to one thing which just caught my eye. Today there is a recent report, and that report claims that everybody, actually the leaks and everybody, or all of every person who uses an iPhone has already knows that how the iPhone 11 is going to be looking, and it's not going to be a different kind of thing, just we are going to be getting a third camera more. So just everybody now knows that how the iPhone 11 is going to be, and that's the only thing that Apple is scared of. The reaction of any individual towards the iPhone 11 is just like, hey, there is just a third lens increase and nothing more than that. And that is actually resulting, people are making videos. There are people who don't want to, already before the product is even launched, they have made a conclusion that they are not going to be getting the iPhone 11. And that's the only reason, the leaks and everything has practically, from a year, the leaks are coming. And just today, like, even iPhone 11 is not yet out, but everybody has made a conclusion that they are not going to be investing such a big amount of money just for their smartphone. People are interested in the third camera, but not interested in the increased pricing, or not even for $1,000. So just guys, yesterday's report, or like a 2-3 hours ago, there are two reports which just tells that everybody nowadays actually know the iPhone 11 is not going to be a ridiculously different device, but because of that strategy or because of that response from the community regarding the leak, Apple is getting scared that their iPhone sales might get affected in 2019. Everybody's excited for the 2020 lineup because Apple is expected to do the 5G, the chipset, the phones are going to be different, the display is going to be changing, the budget and iPhones are coming, and just basically they want this. The 2020 iPhones people want in 2019 and now. And so Apple is thinking that if they will introduce the same iPhone, iPhone 11, the iPhone 11R and the iPhone 11 Max, so they are not going to be making a huge wave in the market. So there is a prediction that the iPhone SE2 will be a thing now, just because there should be an excitement created in the people. Or else see, like the phone we already have the triple camera lens cut out, and also Apple has started its manufacturing, and already smartphones are made. These iPhones 11s are actually in production, so they cannot change the design now. So what can they do to increase the amount of excitement in people's mind? Well, just to make a third special iPhone, they might introduce it in September, and its pre-orders would start in like October or November, and it will get worldwide shipping in the December. So just this is kind of the scenario we're looking at. So just this all things which when we take into consideration, it's only fitting that Apple is going to be introducing an iPhone SE2 or any iPhone, but that will be entering the budget end. And not budget end means $750, budget end means even lesser than that. So guys, hope you have liked today's video. In today's video, just probably taking into consideration all of these factors, it's only the conclusion that Apple will do something exciting which will boost all of the iPhone sales. So hope you have liked today's video. If you are like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. So hope you have liked today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.